Anna, did you hear that?
Hear what, Jay?
That sound outside.
Oh, the rain.
Yes, the rain is starting.
Jay, it sounds so quiet, so peaceful.
Anna, I love this sound.
Me too, Jay. Me too.
And today we are going to learn English through that sound.
Jay, that is such a beautiful idea.
Friends, are you ready?
If you are watching this, welcome.
Welcome to something a little different today.
Jay, let's start slowly, like the rain.
Yes, slowly, gently.
Friends, close your eyes for a moment.
Just for a few seconds, really.
Imagine you are standing outside.
The sky above you, gray and soft.
The clouds are low, Jay, so low.
Anna, and then the first drop falls.
One drop on a leaf,
And then another drop.
and then another, and another.
And slowly the whole world becomes wet.
Jay, that is rain.
Beautiful, simple rain.
Friends, can you picture that?
One drop starting everything.
Jay, I think that is how English learning starts too.
Anna, one word at a time.
One sentence, one small step.
And slowly you are speaking.
Friends, let's begin.
Anna, let's start with what we can see.
Okay, Jay, I see the sky.
The sky is cloudy today.
Cloudy. Friends, say that word.
Cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y.
Jay, can you use it in a sentence?
The sky is cloudy today.
Friends, repeat that slowly.
The sky is cloudy today.
Jay, that is our first sentence.
Simple, clear, real English.
Friends, you are doing great already.
Anna, you almost called yourself friends.
Jay, I did. Sorry, friends.
Friends, even we make little mistakes.
And that is completely okay.
Anna, mistakes are part of learning.
Always, Jay. Always.
Now, what comes after a cloudy sky?
Rain, Jay. Rain comes.
It is going to rain.
Friends, repeat. It is going to rain.
It is going to rain.
Jay, that is so natural sounding.
Anna, because it is real English.
Real people say this every day.
Not just in textbooks.
Not just in exams, Jay.
In life, in real conversations.
Friends, that's the English we want to teach you.
Anna, now let's go deeper.
Deeper, Jay?
Deeper into the rain, deeper into the earth.
Oh, I like that, Jay.
Friends, imagine the rain is falling on the ground.
On the soil, on the earth.
And deep underground, something is sleeping.
Jay, the seeds.
Tiny little seeds waiting quietly.
They have been waiting, Jay, for so long.
Waiting for water.
Waiting for rain.
And now the rain comes.
Jay, and the seed starts to wake up.
The seed is waking up.
Friends, say that. The seed is waking up.
The seed is waking up.
Jay, that sentence feels alive.
Anna, because it is alive.
Friends, just like that seed, your English is alive.
It's growing right now.
Maybe slowly, Jay, but it is growing.
Anna, that is the truth.
Friends, do you believe that?
We believe it for you, even if you don't yet.
Jay, that was really kind.
Anna, it's just true. Anna, let's talk about the leaves now.
Jay, leaves in the rain are so beautiful.
Each leaf catches a drop of water.
And holds it, Jay, like a tiny cup.
Friends, imagine a green leaf after the rain.
Small silver drops sitting on it.
Anna, like little diamonds.
Jay, exactly like little diamonds.
The rain falls on the leaves.
Friends, repeat. The rain falls on the leaves.
The rain falls on the leaves.
Jay, falls is such a useful word.
Anna, you are right.
Rain falls, Jay.
Snow falls, Anna.
Night falls, friends.
Anna, night falls. I love that phrase.
Jay, it means the night is coming.
Slowly, gently like rain.
Friends, fall means to come down softly.
It is a gentle word, Anna.
Jay, English has many gentle words.
Friends, don't be afraid of English.
It can be soft, like rain.
It can be beautiful, like nature.
Jay, I really believe that.
Me too, Anna. Me too. Anna, do you hear the birds?
Jay, wait. Yes, I do.
After the rain, the birds come out.
Jay, why do they do that?
Maybe they are happy, Anna,
Happy that the rain stopped?
or happy that everything is clean and fresh.
Jay, that is a lovely thought.
Friends, have you ever noticed that?
After rain, birds start singing again.
The birds are singing.
Friends, that is your next sentence. The birds are singing.
The birds are singing.
Jay, let's make it a little longer.
Good idea, Anna.
The birds are singing after the rain.
Friends, repeat the whole sentence.
The birds are singing after the rain.
Anna, that sounds like a poem.
Jay, English can feel like a poem sometimes.
Friends, did you know that?
English is not just grammar, Jay.
It is feeling, Anna.
It is rhythm. It is sound.
Like rain on a roof.
Jay, exactly like that.
Anna, let's talk about something special now.
What is it, Jay?
The smell after rain.
Oh, Jay, that smell.
Friends, you know that smell, right?
That fresh, earthy, alive smell, Jay.
Anna, that smell even has a name in English.
Jay, really?
It is called petrogor.
Core, Jay?
Petrogor, Anna. Petricor.
Jay, that is a beautiful word.
It means the smell of rain on dry earth.
Friends, petrogor.
Say it slowly. Petrigor.
Jay, I want to use that word every rainy day.
Anna, you should.
Friends, I love the smell of petrogor.
Or simply, the air smells fresh after the rain.
Jay, that is easier for every day.
The air feels fresh.
Friends, repeat. The air feels fresh.
The air feels fresh.
Jay, fresh is such a good word.
Fresh air, Anna.
Fresh start, Jay.
Fresh English every day.
Jay, I like that.
Friends, fresh English every day. Anna, I want to share something.
Tell me, Jay.
When I was learning English, I used to go outside after rain.
Really, Jay?
I would just stand there and breathe.
Jay, and say English words?
Yes, out loud, Anna, to no one.
Jay, to the trees.
To the birds, to the rain.
Friends, does that sound familiar?
Maybe you talk to yourself in English sometimes.
Jay, I do that too.
That's actually one of the best ways to practice, Anna.
Friends, speaking out loud, even alone.
Your mouth needs practice, Anna.
Jay, like a muscle.
Yes, your tongue, your lips, your breath.
They all learn English too, Jay.
Not just your brain, Anna.
Friends, speak out loud today.
Even 5 minutes, even alone.
Jay, it really changes everything.
Anna, I promise it does. Friends, let's do a small exercise now.
Jay, I love this part.
Imagine you are standing outside.
Rain is falling softly around you.
You lift your hand and a drop falls on your palm.
Jay, what do you feel?
In English, say it, friends.
It feels cold.
It feels wet.
It feels refreshing.
Jay, refreshing. That is a great word.
Jay, refreshing means it makes you feel better.
Alive again, fresh again.
Friends, the rain is refreshing.
Say that. The rain is refreshing.
Jay, simple and beautiful.
Anna, that is real English.
Friends, now finish this sentence.
I love the sound of
Jay, what comes next?
rain, friends. I love the sound of rain.
Say the whole thing. I love the sound of rain.
Anna, that is sentence number 5 today.
Jay, let's count them.
The sky is cloudy today.
It is going to rain.
The seed is waking up.
The rain falls on the leaves.
The birds are singing after the rain.
The air feels fresh.
I love the sound of rain.
J, 7 sentences.
7 real English sentences, Anna.
Friends, how many do you remember?
Don't look back, just try.
J, even 2 or 3 is wonderful.
Even 1, friends, is progress. Anna, let's talk about mornings after rain.
J, those mornings are so special.
Everything is quiet, Anna.
Everything is clean, J.
The streets are wet, shining.
The leaves are bright, J, so green.
Friends, imagine that morning,
You open your window,
and the cool air comes in.
J, and you feel calm.
Nature is calm today.
Friends, repeat. Nature is calm today.
Nature is calm today.
J, that sentence feels like peace.
Anna, because it is peace.
Friends, on a morning like that,
You can sit by your window.
with a cup of tea, J,
Or coffee, Anna.
and just listen.
And say English sentences to yourself.
J, quietly, slowly.
No pressure, Anna.
No rush, J.
Friends, learning English can feel like this.
Calm, warm, safe. J, friends, sorry.
Anna, you did it again.
Friends, we keep confusing ourselves.
And you know what, friends?
That is perfectly fine. J, we're human.
And humans make mistakes.
Beautiful, normal, everyday mistakes.
Anna, let's talk about something very important now.
J, what is that?
Consistency, Anna.
J, tell them what that means.
Consistency means doing something every day.
Not once a week, J.
Not only when you feel like it, Anna.
Every day like rain.
Anna, rain doesn't fall once and stop forever.
It comes back, J, again and again.
Season after season.
Year after year.
Friends, your English practice should be the same.
Small drops every single day.
Anna, small drops fill rivers.
J, rivers fill oceans.
Friends, your small daily steps will fill your English fluency.
J, I really believe that.
Anna, so do I.
Friends, practice English every day.
Repeat that. Practice English every day.
J, that is our most important sentence today.
Anna, maybe of this whole channel.
Friends, write it down if you can.
Practice English every day.
Not perfectly, J.
Just regularly, Anna.
Even 5 minutes, J.
Even 1 sentence, Anna,
Friends, even saying 1 sentence out loud today?
is better than silence.
J, always better than silence.
Anna, what about the days when you don't feel like it?
J, that is such a real question.
Friends, some days you're tired.
Some days, J, English feels hard.
Some days you want to stop.
J, I have felt that.
Anna, everyone has felt that.
Friends, what do you do on those days?
Anna, you look outside.
J?
You look for rain, Anna.
J, that is beautiful.
Because rain doesn't stop, Anna.
Even when no one is watching, J.
Even when it's dark.
The rain still falls.
The seed still grows.
Friends, on your hard days, be like the rain.
Keep going, Anna.
Just 1 drop, J.
Just 1 word, just 1 sentence.
Friends, just 1 step.
Anna, that is enough.
J, that is always enough.
Anna, let's do one more exercise before we end.
J, yes, let's do it.
Friends, we give you a situation.
And you finish the sentence in English.
Ready, friends?
J, situation 1.
You wake up in the morning and you look out your window.
You see dark clouds in the sky.
You say, it looks like it is going to
Friends, what is the word?
rain. It looks like it is going to rain.
J, say the full sentence one more time.
It looks like it is going to rain.
Friends, your turn now. Say it out loud.
Really, say it right now.
J, situation 2.
You step outside after the rain stops.
You breathe in the air.
You say, the air smells.
Fresh, J. clean, earthy.
All correct, Anna.
Friends, the air smells fresh after the rain.
Say it slowly. The air smells fresh after the rain.
Jay, situation 3.
You hear a bird singing outside your window.
You tell your friend about it.
You say, I can hear the bird.
Singing, Jay.
I can hear the bird singing.
Friends, the full sentence. I can hear the bird singing.
Anna, they did so well.
Jay, I know they did.
Friends, we are proud of you.
Jay, really, we mean that.
Anna, one more thing before we say goodbye.
Jay, what is it?
I want to talk about light rain.
Oh, drizzle, Jay?
Yes, Anna, drizzle.
Friends, drizzle is very light rain.
Soft, quiet, barely there.
Jay, it is just a drizzle.
Meaning, the rain is very gentle.
Friends, drizzle. D-R-I-Z-Z-L-E.
It is drizzling outside.
Jay, that means light rain is falling right now.
Friends, repeat. It is drizzling outside.
It is drizzling outside.
Anna, that is such a useful word.
Jay, use it the next time it drizzles.
Friends, tell someone, it is drizzling here.
Jay, they will be so impressed.
Anna, I promise they will. Anna, I think we are almost at the end.
Jay, already?
Friends, time goes fast when you're learning something beautiful.
Jay, that is so true.
Friends, let's remember everything we learned today.
Jay, ready?
The sky is cloudy today.
It is going to rain.
The seed is waking up.
The rain falls on the leaves.
The birds are singing after the rain.
The air feels fresh.
I love the sound of rain.
Nature is calm today.
Practice English every day.
It is drizzling outside.
Anna, 10 sentences.
Jay, 10 real English sentences.
Friends, all natural, all useful, all beautiful.
Jay, they can use these today.
Not someday, Anna.
Today, friends, today.
Anna, will you close for us today?
Jay, of course. Friends, you came here today.
That already means something.
You stayed. You listened. You tried.
Anna, that is everything.
Learning a language takes time, friends.
Like a seed in the ground.
You cannot see it growing every day.
But underground, Anna, it is working.
Always working, Jay.
Friends, every word you hear today stays inside you.
Every sentence you try builds something.
Even this video, Anna.
Even this moment, Jay.
Friends, you are different now, just a little.
Jay, a little more confident.
A little more comfortable with English.
And that's all we ever wanted for you.
Anna, that is exactly it.
Friends, the next time it rains,
Go to your window
look outside, breathe in.
and say one sentence in English.
Any sentence, Jay.
Even just, it is raining.
Jay, that is enough.
That is beautiful, Anna.
Friends, we will be here when you come back.
More English, more rain, more nature.
More little moments that teach big things.
Anna, I love that.
Jay, me too.
Friends, thank you for being here today.
Really, Jay. Really thank you.
Until next time, keep practicing.
Keep growing.
Like the seed in the rain.
Like the seed in the rain.
Goodbye for now, friends.
Goodbye.